Hey, why did you come here to the padded cell?
Oh, I thought it was a five-star hotel. The brochure said, experience the ultimate in comfort and tranquility.
Well, you must have been quite surprised then.
Definitely. Turns out the pillows are a bit too soft and the room service is non-existent.
I feel you. So what's your story? Why did you end up in this luxurious establishment?
Well, apparently my dance moves were so wild and out of control that the authorities thought I was auditioning for Dancing with the Stars. They couldn't resist my charm.
You must be quite the performer. I can only imagine the moves you were busting out.
Oh, you have no idea. I had them lining up to learn my signature spontaneous spasm move.
That's priceless. You're definitely bringing some entertainment to this padded paradise.
Hey, we all have our talents, right? So what's your hilarious story? How did you end up in this delightful vacation spot?
Well, let's just say I mistook the psychiatrist's office for a karaoke bar. I walked in singing at the top of my lungs, thinking it was an open mic night. The psychiatrist didn't appreciate my rendition of Bohemian Rhapsody.
Oh, that's classic. You certainly know how to make an unforgettable entrance. Freddie Mercury would be proud.
Thank you, thank you. I do aim to please. It's all about bringing a little joy and laughter, even in the most unexpected places.
Absolutely. Laughter is the best medicine, they say. We're bringing the comic relief to this padded wonderland.
So true. We should start a comedy club in here. We'd have a captive audience, quite literally.
I like the way you think. We could call it the Padded Punchline Club. Our jokes would be padded, just like the walls.
Brilliant. The perfect name. We'll have everyone rolling on the floor with laughter and they won't even get hurt.
Exactly. Comedy that's safe and therapeutic. Our stand-up routine could go down in the padded cell history books.
Count me in. We'll bring the funny and turn this place into a laughter-filled haven. Who knew the padded cell could become the comedy central of mental health facilities?
Life is full of surprises. Together, we'll make this the funniest padded cell anyone has ever seen. Get ready for the Padded Punchline Club revolution.
I can't wait. Our jokes will echo through these padded walls, spreading laughter and joy. The world won't know what hit them.
Let's do it. Padded Punchline Club, here we come. Laughter is our superpower and we're ready to share it with the world, one joke at a time.